Brewed Adnams.
It's brew evening, isn't it? Brew evening.
Brew evening.
And what we're going to do tonight, Phil?
Adnams clone.
Yeah, we're going to attempt a clone beer yet again after the lovely clones we did the last time. We did the Courage Director, and now we've moved on to another bitter from the same book. Yep, and we're going to do this Adnams bitter, and it's quite a simple recipe. It contains pale malts. We've got some maris otter, we've got some white sugar, we've got some black malts. What else we got? We got Northern Brewer hops.
Yeah, we're replacing the hop. We've had a look in the hops book. It just say, is that Boadicea?
Yeah, but it looks like that to me.
Boadicea hops, but we've changed. We can either put Northern Brewer or Challenger, and Dan's got some Northern Brewer, so we're going for some Northern Brewer hops.
Northern Brewer instead, and we've added some E.Golding as well, some Golding hops in there, a little bit, 15 grams.
15 grams, and the just say Irish moss in this recipe, but we are au naturel. We don't
Moss.
No. We
False or moss?
No.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to mash it now for about an hour, and then we're going to sparge it, and as you'll see later on,
all the other stuff, and hopefully we're going to get how many pints? 40 pints?
We were aiming for about 23 litres according to the recipe here. It's just shy of 23, so probably 22.629. And what level of ABV? We're looking at 4%.
So original gravity of 1036, so yeah, that should be achievable, shouldn't it?
We'll find out. We'll find out. Time will tell.
Okay.
Let's go for it, Phil.
Let's go for it.
So we got 71 degrees C, and the mash. We're going to add the grain. It's going to drop down a bit, and then we're going to mash at 66 degrees for approximately an hour, and then we're going to raise the temperature up to be 72 degrees for another 10 minutes to mash out. And so we got 16 litres of water in here. We filtered the water, that's at the 72 degrees. So we're ready to go?
Let's go, Dan.
Ready to rock and roll. How's the dough balls, Phil?
No dough balls here, Dan.
No dough balls.
Just a beautiful smell.
That must be my cooking.
Beautiful smell.
Put some black malt in now. Oh.
Lovely.
That's the boy in. So we've added more liquid now, so that should help. You can see it's more liquid. So the problem we had last time is we didn't get quite the efficiency from the mashing process. So we're hoping we can do better this time. So
well,
this
just
smells
nice.
Nice.
Beautiful. Right. So that's it now for the time being.
That's it. Yeah. We'll put the top on and we'll recirculate it every 10 minutes. Okay, we're mashed in.
Mashed in.
So we'll put that there. We'll put the lid back on. Because this kettle doesn't have the fancy recirculation of the water, the temperature can get slightly hot in the bottom compared to the top part of the middle part. So what we're doing is we're just going to drain off a few jugs and recirculate the liquid to hopefully improve the mash efficiency. The aim. So starting to smell nice.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Pull this back in. Pour it down the sides of the kettle if I can, just to stop it damaging the grain bed. Just do it slowly. And we'll do it one more time, and we'll do it again in another 10 minutes. The second one is it's a bit thicker and darker, so it's a chance to recirculate. So it is. You can see it actually working because that's brown in colour in the first one. You see that?
It smells coming through the kitchen now.
Look at that. You know, what's that? 10 minutes, and you can see how much of the flavour has been absorbed in the water already. So I think we turn from water into
wait.
Oh, shit. You know what? We'll turn the tap the right way, not the wrong way. There we are. We'll try again. So this is just mashed out for 10 minutes at, unfortunately it's slightly over 75, is more towards 78. It's gone down a bit now, it's 74. So what we're going to do is pull out the grains, so cold spars for a change, because we don't have any hot water.
quick.
Yeah, pull that in, make sure that don't go anywhere. Carry up again, Phil. Buddy, you're a man with a big boys play. Gonna be your man. Man someday, you got mud on your face. Big disgrace. Come on, everybody, get out of the place.
We will
Rock you. We will spot you.
Barge in with cold water.
So how many litres we need, Phil? We had 16 in there.
7 or 8.
Litres. So what's the point of using the colander?
The colander is now keeping the grain bed intact. The grain bed is all important for the clarity of the beer. Okay, Dan, piece the camera, what's happening?
We're approaching 88 degrees C.
88 miles an hour!
So we're approaching that, and what we need to do, we need to add the sugar to the boil.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just moving. That's two-man job.
Oh, two-man job.
Do you want to take that one?
Right.
97.
Are we putting the hops in a sock? Are we trying hops in a sock today?
Hops in a sock. Well, my sock.
We used to go to have a sock. It's boiling, it's boiling.
Okay.
Okay, the wort is going bananas. Just started to boil, rolling boil. What's happening, Dan?
We're about to add the first hop addition on the start of the boil.
35 grams of your Northern Brewer hops.
35 grams of northern
Yeah.
hop. Yeah, you're the sock.
Hold the sock.
Oh, we're in.
We're going for a sock this time, viewers.
So we're trying to up our game.
So, is that good enough? Is that good enough, that bag just sitting there like that? Tell you what, when we had the other hop addition, we had it in the same bag.
Yeah.
What we could do is just tie the bag and then drop the old bag in, and then we'll
But
fish
the
out
problem
later.
is they might burn on the bottom. So that's why they try and keep them off, and that's why the metal ones are good ones because they go in deeper.
See,
and you give it a stir.
that's why you're the master and I'm the apprentice. You're Yoda.
When he remembers what to do.
So what's in there, Dan?
We got the beer in there, the worts, and we got the sack full of hops. I'm just massaging my sack just to
We're massaging it with
massage it with the cooling coil.
cooling coil.
Just to
Why is the cooling coil in now?
well, we put it in now, so it was about 15-20 minutes ago, just so we sterilise it before we start cooling things down. We're going to do our final hop addition.
15 grams of Golding.
Yep. Yeah, she's in the corner.
She's in the corner, is she? Okay.
Yep.
Into the sock.
Into my sack.
Into Dan's sack. Never thought it'd be going in there.
Oh, right in.
They swell up a bit, don't they? Pull it out, Dan, show the camera. Ah.
Yep. Set another time for 10 minutes.
Okay, Google. Set alarm, 10 minutes.
Alright, your alarm's set for 11:14 PM.
Jump in. Guess.
I'm going to guess at 30.
30.
5.
35.
Oh, what is
Guess
it?
again, you're out. You're out. Phil's out by a degree. You ready for the shots?
Let's go.
We are sanitised.
We've sound sized.
Are we good?
So we are going to cool down a little bit further by smashing it into the bucket. Okay, so we were worried. We brewed too much beer.
Well, that's never something to be worried about, Phil.
So we were hoping for an original gravity of 1036. And as you can see from the hydrometer reading, I'll put a picture up now. We have hit 1036, but I want to see what the refractometer says. So, because I love Dan's little gadgets. Let's have a look. Oh, I see no ships. I see no ship.
Do you need more to drink, Phil?
We're on about 1038 according to this.
Oh. So that's even higher.
That's even higher.
Yeah. Welsh Gold. Very nice whiskey if you guys are into whiskey. I bet Welsh Gold.
So we've put in 2 types of grain, pale malt and a black malt, and 2 types of hops. So what does that give us?
Hopefully better.
This will be a good one.
We are just about putting the beer, or the water, well, this is the beer now because it's been fermented, the beer from the fermenter into the bottling bucket, and then we've got a load of bottles over there and kegs now, a party keg that we're going to try. This is the Adnams bitter, so this is the traditional one, and we're going to try it out, and the first time trying this recipe, the clone recipe, so fingers crossed.
With an original gravity of 1038 and a final gravity of 1010, we've brewed a beer of about 3.7% alcohol by volume. But what does it taste like?
So Dan,
Yeah.
you just knocked the top off. We're isolating, so we're doing tasting separately now, aren't we?
Yeah, just smell, I'll put the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, is that smell here?
Yeah, it's just making me jealous now. That's what it is. So I've got a commercial Heineken lager because that was a substitute from Tesco, and you've got one of our homebrew Adnams following the recipe. So what does it smell like, Dan?
Well, it smells, so I like pulling it.
I like the colour on it. It's a nice golden colour.
It is. This one feels a lot more caramelly based on some of the other ones we've done. Yeah, it's like a malty caramel smell to it. It certainly looks like it's going to be a strong body to it. Yeah, that's gorgeous stuff. You would have loved this one. Basically, if you had a choice of this and Heineken, you wouldn't drink Heineken again. Yeah, it's smooth. It's smooth. It's a lovely caramel taste. It's lovely flavours and complexity to it. I can't remember what we put into it, but it certainly is nice. Yeah, and it feels a lot. Compared to what I was drinking earlier, the bitter one.
You had a kit one earlier, didn't you?
Yeah, this is much better. It's got more body to it. The smell, the freshness is nice. Carbonation levels, I can see bubbles on that. I don't really just see on the camera. But I'm not tasting fizziness on the tongue. But it is nice. It's smooth. It's something I could drink all night long. It says you would love this one, Phil.
Yeah.
You would really enjoy it.
It's right up my street, that one, is it? All right then, matey. Take care. Enjoy your Adnams.
Yeah. Cheers, Phil. Take care.